welcome to another video on the Ekdori channel. Now today I'm doing something very exciting and something that has been bothering me for the longest time, and that is organizing a small section of my wardrobe. Now this is a section where I keep all my clutches and bags, and I have this lovely collection of vintage clutches which I use all the time in my styling and when I'm taking pictures for Ekdori. However, when it comes to organizing them and keeping them, it is in a complete mess, and it leads to a lot of frustration because a lot of times I have this one particular bag in my mind which I want, but it's so inaccessible because all these dabbas are piled on top of each other that other than these few bags which are right in front, I just can't see anything at all. And then while scrolling on Instagram, I saw this ad of this particular set of shelves. The shelves stack on top of each other and you can even pull them out a little bit. So I thought, oh my god, this is the perfect solution, and I ordered it instantly. Most of my purchases are made all thanks to Instagram. Now the big question is, and I'm keeping my fingers crossed, and that is that I hope that this shelf fits into this space, because I did not do any measurements and all. I'm too lazy for that. I just saw it and I ordered it. So here goes. Let's put it in and see. Yay, I think it works perfectly. It fits in beautifully. Now let's see if all my bags fit into it. And now the space looks so organized. My bags are all very beautifully kept. I think it takes less space now. Earlier it was just making the whole space look like bhara bhara. Now it is so convenient and not cluttered at all, and the drawers come out so I can see everything beautifully. It's so easy to put everything back. I am so happy with this reorganization. And the thing with organizing your wardrobe or any part of your home is that it's work in progress. You do one thing, then your needs change, then you need to try something else. The whole point is to keep changing things and keep learning and keep growing and keep doing your best to keep things organized. So this video is absolutely not sponsored. I bought this product on my own with my own money, but it has worked very well for me, which is why I thought I should share it with you guys. I hope you enjoyed today's home organizing video, and for more such videos, please do follow the Ekdori channel. I'll see you soon.